Recall muna natin ano ba yung cube of a number, perfect cube and cube root. Okay, so isa-isahin natin lahat yan. Cube of a number, for example, 1 cube, it means that you multiply 1 3 times. We have 1 times 1 times 1. Then it is equal to 1. 1 is a perfect cube. To get the cube root, we have the cube root of 1 and the answer is 1. Next, we have 2 cube means we multiply 2 3 times. We have 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 it is equal to 8. And 8 is a perfect cube. Kung i-change natin into exponential form, ang exponential form niya ay 2 cube. Find the cube root of 8, it is equal to 2. Kung ano yung roots niya, which is the root is 2. Now we have 3 cube, it is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 and the answer is equal to 27. Exponential form ng 27 is 3 cube. Find the square root of 27, the answer is 3. Ayan, kung ano yung root. Yun yung sagot dun sa cube root of 27. Next, 4 cube, 4 times 4 times 4. Then it is equal to 64. Sa exponential form ng 64, we have 4 cube. Okay, to find the cube root of 64, it is equal to 4. Okay, next we have 5 cube and it is equivalent to 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 equals 25 times 5 equals 125. Exponential form of 125 is 5 cube. And to find the cube root of 125, the answer is, okay, 5. Next, we have now 6 cube. 6 cube, we multiply 6 3 times. So 6 times 6 times 6 equals 216. Okay, exponential form, 6 cube. And then, cube root of 216 is equal to 6. So, we have 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. Those are what we call perfect cube. At marami pang iba. So, cube number. Therefore, cube number is a number multiplied by itself 3 times. So, we have the what we call perfect cube. We have 1, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 8, and so on.